I'm going to show you how to make something square. These all have to be the exact same measurement. So do these, right? So this right here in this example is 16 and 1/8. This is also 16 and 1/8. And these long pieces here are 32. See? Right on the money. So all you basically got to do is just go crossways and make these numbers match. Just like that. So let's do this. Notice how I'm tilting and I'm measuring from inside. If I was to do this, I would have to make sure that I do that on the other side when I go to pull that measurement. All right. So 35 and it looks like 7/8. Okay. Notice how I'm pulling in. 35 and it's 3/4. So basically I'm a 1/16 out. So this side is shorter and this side is longer. Let's try it again. 35 and 13/16. 35 and 13/16. So it's perfectly square. Thanks for watching.